Hey guys, today we are going to finish up this inner bulge panel. The little section here, I need to do this square, and then this piece up here, I'm going to weld this in first. I can always drill the holes later if I add the holes. Yeah, I don't know about that yet. So I'm gonna weld this square in. I went ahead and put the lip on the top like it needed, and then I'll weld in the rectangle above it and finish up doing all the spot welds and all of that. This is finished. This corner over here, it still has a little bit of a gap, but seam sealer will take care of that. It came out pretty good. I was actually surprised at my welding on this one. Yes, there was a lot of grinding, but the welds were much better. The inside turned out really good. So I'll set you up, knock these welds out here. I doubt that I'll record the grinding just because. So I'll weld this in, make the piece for that, and then when I go to weld that in, I will bring you back. So I still need to add some welds back there. This lower piece here, there's a hole. I don't know, I'm guessing because this is a aftermarket part, I don't know. So I'm gonna leave it. It's not factory, but it is what it is. All right, it is in there. I made this top piece a little too long, but I mean, it's all good. So yeah, I'm gonna throw some paint on it, and then that is going to be the end of this repair. This is the hole that I was talking about, where it doesn't quite meet up. I don't think it'll be an issue because, I mean, this is open here, so yeah, I guess the next step after this will be the rocker panel, possibly fixing a little bit of the B-pillar there, but yeah, it's going a lot better than it has been. Finally knocking some stuff out, getting some new metal in the bus is always exciting. Being in here, looking at these dog legs, they're pretty toasty, especially in there. So I was not going to replace the dog legs, but with that much rust in there, and knowing that, let's see, and knowing that it looks like that, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the dog legs. I had bought the pieces to go here, but there's no need in just doing this without doing all of this. I mean, it's pretty crunchy, so I will replace the dog legs. I've got to buy them. I'm probably just gonna get the classic fab. You can get the inner and outer dog legs for, I think, $350, somewhere around in there. So I'll get that, replace those, then I'll know that they will be good for when I do the floor and the one section there. So So yeah, that's it for this repair. I don't know what I'm going to do as far as the rocker. Let me go grab that. So with this rocker here, when this seam, that light is killing you. When that seam is lined up, the seam there down there does not line up. So I cut off more than I should have. When I cut here, I should have left about that thickness there, about ½ an inch maybe, to weld to. So I kind of screwed myself on that one. I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as this repair. I may slice it down the middle. I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm glad to be getting some metal in here. Pretty happy with that repair. I was kind of worried going into it how it would turn out, but it is not horrible. I can live with it. Like I said, that hole back there, I'm just gonna throw some seam sealer in that. I believe that's how it was to begin with. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. I don't know what the next video will be at the moment. Possibly the rocker. Could be something else, who knows. So thanks for hanging out. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I think we're almost at 250. We're like 246, 47, somewhere around in there. So that's pretty awesome. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Maybe hit the like button. Drop a comment. Tell me if you like my beautiful welding or not. It definitely will help the channel grow. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. But we'll see you in the next one.